What's the real cost of not knowing financial planning? Imagine your parents, they retired and they gave you a sum of 50 lakhs and told you it's your responsibility to handle this money and ensure it grows. What would you do in such a situation? Hi, I'm Brendan Mascarenas, a CFA charter holder and the only mutual fund distributor in Goa who is also a charter holder. Now, coming back to the question, imagine you don't know about financial planning. So, what the easiest thing that you would do is just keep it in an FD. That's the simplest thing that all of us know. But what if you knew about financial planning? What if you took that money and invested in a mutual fund which gave you a 12% return over a long term? What is the actual cost and what is the difference between these two options so that you can actually know the exact cost of not knowing financial planning? Let's take a look at the Excel and find out the answer. To understand about financial planning and the importance, let us use this calculator. This calculator helps us to check the future value of an investment. So now how do we do that? We first fill in this. All the green cells are supposed to be filled. So let us start with the number of years. Now the number of years is we are looking at it if your parents give you the money now, after 30 years, how much will it become? So we put here 30. The monthly investment is nothing. The return in an FD is about 6%, and the starting value is 50 lakhs. So, how much will this become? This will become about 2.87 crores. So, your parents are very happy that you give them 2.87 crores. But let's say instead of this, you invest in a mutual fund because it's a long term investment, so you'll get a 12% return. How much will that become? It will become about 14 crores. So, the cost of not knowing the financial planning is 12.1 crore. And that is why it is very important to know about financial planning. I'm Brendan Presentation Mascarenas, and I will see you in the very next video. Thank you.